Hello, this is Kevin. You're watching Modern Muscle 365. Welcome to the vlog. Another beautiful snowy day in April. Today's video, gonna be putting a Duramax to some work and towing a heavy plow. Plus we got tires coming for the tires and rims both. We'll be picking up later on today. Just wanted to make a video about hauling. I can't drive the Demon, obviously. Got all the parts in for the project truck, which I'll be make a separate video because got hoods, fenders, all that, and show you guys my plans with that and how much closer. And the weather's not working with us anyway, so there we go. You know, should be fun time getting that project done. I also got other goodies ordered for this Duramax. I'm gonna start this Duramax build, so. So hopefully she'll make it back. They leave a key in that. Wow. So, made it up here, got the plow up here. Oh, we broke the leaf. And we got a broken rim on the other side, like you can see, and then we broke one of our main leaves. So, we gotta get her home. Baby at home, see if we can make it. Get some meat, Gibby? Gibby, did you get some meat while you're in there? Going dry? Good deal. How come he didn't put this food in there? What? How come I told him to put this food in there? Jesus. A little low on exhaust fluid, so we're going to top it off right here. So wait until they update this. Huh? It's got you a little big long white hose. Oh, you should. You probably had longer than that in prison. What?
I missed out on a good deal on a cheap one.
Oh, trailer's still plugging along. Huh? Yeah, everything's in the back seat. There's rims all loaded up, ready to rock. So we got the fifth wheel back, got the tires picked up. Fifth wheel made it fine. obviously needs some axle work, which I think we're just gonna end up fixing it and shipping it and getting a new trailer to replace that trailer, because it's really just not heavy enough for hauling that plow. So instead of just keep going through the same thing over and over, but here nor there. But yeah, I like the Fuel Maverick rims there. I think they're gonna look pretty sweet on here. After I see about the lift there, I'm hoping that it's supposed to be within a week, but you know, obviously with the weather gonna break here soon, I'll be back to demon content. But I got a lot of mods coming for this Duramax, so we'll see. I mean, obviously no performance ones because you can't even crack the code, but first thing I'll do whenever they can is get rid of the exhaust and the exhaust fluid. I think it would help this truck out tremendously because it's always got a weird odor and just makes the exhaust just run so hot. I mean, just don't work. Plus this thing burns like death fluid almost more than it does fuel. So, but anyways, so yeah, I just gotta unload these tires and wheels for now, and then once the lift gets on, we'll put them on, and then start working on the rest of our mods and everything. So, and then we'll be doing some updates on the project truck too. We got the hoods and fenders and all that stuff, and then we'll be doing paint, and I'll have to take that someplace and get it dynoed and tuned so it runs right with the cam and everything. So that's gonna be fun and exciting. So there we have it. It's all 4 of them. Yeah. 305, 55, or 20s. I think they look pretty good. I like these rims. I do think that the adapters are kind of, I don't know, they don't feel super heavy duty, so I think I'm going to check into these and see. I mean, haul a lot of weight, so I mean, obviously I can't have something that's chintzy unless I end up running these on a different truck, which is still a possibility too. So, but anyways, yeah, we'll have a lift coming for the Duramax here. Doing a 6-inch BDS lift, and then we'll be putting those fuel wheels on. So in between doing Demon and Bandit stuff, we'll be doing a lot of stuff to the Duramax. So you know, if you tuned into the channel for Duramax content, then we'll be having lots of it, along with a lot of car content. And like I said, we still have the project truck too. So yeah, I'm really excited. I like the rims. I really do. I think they're gonna look sweet on that truck. So anyways, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.